So here we have a very nice sum on powers and indices, right? So here this is the sum which we need to find the value of x. All right, so let's go ahead. So the first step is, since we have 4 here which has got a cube root, so it will be 4 1 by 3. Outside 2x, okay, plus half as power, and here for 32 2 to the power 5. Alright, next step is to convert 4 in terms of 2 to the power 2. Outside we can multiply these two, 1/3 and 2x plus half bracket closed equals to 2 to the power minus 5. What is in the denominator when it comes to the numerator? It becomes it takes a minus power. So the next step is to multiply this with this, 2 by 3. Alright, and then we have 2x plus half the way it was. Alright, so now when the bases are same, it means that we can equate the powers. Two by 3, this entire thing is the power, 2x plus half equals to minus 5. Let's take this 3 to the other side. So we have the numerator left here. Alright, clear? So this side we have minus 15. Here this multiplied by this is 4x. 2 multiplied by half, 2 gets cancelled. We have this. Next, 4x equals to minus 15 minus 1. Altogether we have minus 16. X is equal to minus 16 divided by 4. This gets cancelled. We have a minus 4. So my final answer therefore is x equals to minus 4. We have solved for x. So guys, if you have any kind of queries or any kind of hitches regarding the sum, do write to me in the comment section, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much guys. So there will be many more such videos for your help coming up.